Windows play a crucial role in your Murray home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. But over time, they can develop issues that not only affect how your home looks but also how it performs. Understanding these common problems, and how replacement windows solve them, can help you make a smart investment in your property. Drafts and air leaks. The problem. Murray's seasonal changes, from cold winters to warm summers, put windows to the test. Over the years, seals may deteriorate, frames can warp, and tiny gaps may form between the window and the wall. This allows cold air in during the winter and warm air in during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work harder. The solution. New replacement windows are designed with advanced weather stripping, insulated frames, and tight sealing glass packages. Professional installation ensures those drafts are sealed for good, reducing energy loss and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Foggy or condensed glass. The problem. If you notice condensation between double or triple pane glass, it's a sign that the seal has failed. Once this happens, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, and the glass loses its efficiency. The solution. Replacement windows restore proper insulation with fresh, sealed units. Many modern options use argon or krypton gas fills and low emissivity, low E, coatings to boost thermal performance and prevent condensation. Difficult operation. The problem. Windows that are hard to open or close could be suffering from warped frames, broken hardware, or years of paint buildup. Not only is this inconvenient, but it also poses safety risks, especially if you need to use a window as an emergency exit. The solution. Modern replacement windows glide smoothly on their tracks and often feature easy-to-operate locks and tilting sashes for effortless cleaning. Choosing the right style for your needs can also improve ventilation and functionality. High energy bills. The problem. Older single-pane windows or worn-out double-pane units can't compete with today's energy-efficient models. As a result, your heating and cooling costs may be significantly higher than necessary. The solution. ENERGY STAR-rated replacement windows for Murray homes use advanced glass technology, insulated frames, and warm edge spacers to help regulate indoor temperatures. This can lead to noticeable savings on your utility bills. Outdated appearance. The problem. Windows that look old or out of place can make your whole home appear dated, even if the rest of your property is in good condition. The solution. Replacement windows offer an opportunity to refresh your home's style. With a variety of frame colors, finishes, and grid patterns, you can choose a look that complements your architecture and boosts curb appeal. Water damage and rot. The problem. Leaky windows can allow moisture to seep into the frame or surrounding walls, causing rot, mold, and structural damage. The solution. Modern window replacements are built to be highly water resistant, with durable frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood. Proper installation ensures no gaps remain for water intrusion. Final thought. For Murray homeowners, window replacement isn't just about looks, it's about solving long-term performance issues. Whether you're dealing with drafts, foggy glass, or rising energy bills, upgrading your windows can improve comfort, efficiency, and home value. If you're considering making the change, working with a professional installer ensures the job is done right, giving you peace of mind and lasting results.